Final thoughts. The use of crane trucks has become increasingly popular in many industries in recent years, from construction projects to manufacturing operations. These vehicles are being relied upon more and more to lift and transport heavy materials. They can significantly reduce the costs associated with manual labor, while also speeding up the process of moving materials from one location to another. With so many advantages, it's no surprise that these trucks are quickly becoming the go-to option for businesses of all sizes. Thank you for watching this guide to crane trucks. We hope this has been a helpful primer on the different types of these vehicles and the benefits they offer. Whether you're looking for a way to reduce costs or just need some extra muscle to move those heavy materials, you can take comfort in knowing that a reliable truck is out there waiting for you. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.